Someone in my life, and that boy, that boy, that boy, that boy. I was looking for him. I don't know. That's that boy. Was someone I know yesterday. I see that boy and I chase that boy. But yes, I realize that boy is just the light. That boy is just the light. No light. You can never, never see that boy in the darkness. There is no boy in the daylight. I see that boy when I sleep in the night. That boy don't exist. Every time sunrise, I see that boy. Something about that boy. When the sun rises, that boy have everything he need. He eats so much, he become the snail in the wall. But at least that boy is still going up. That boy is just a light, no light. You don't see that boy. He doesn't exist in the darkness. You don't see that boy. That boy, he is white. That boy, he is black. That boy, he is brown. That boy is pink. That boy. Every time I see that boy all over the world, I see that boy. I'm crazy for him, but it's just a daylight and the light in the house. That boy is an energy. That boy is an energy. He never stayed like this. That boy is an energy. It's just an energy. Just an energy. It's just an energy. That boy is just an energy. You will never, never see that boy in the darkness. That boy in the darkness. That boy. You will never, 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 never see that boy when it gets dark.